Hi, my name's Allison, and I am a client of Bernie Pawlik and Pawlik Automotive for about 13 years. I always wondered if the recommendations I got from mechanics were honest or whether or not I was being taken advantage of because I couldn't necessarily understand or refute some of the recommendations. And what stood out about Bernie immediately was just the questions he asked me about my car and what was important to me and how he would lay out his recommendations. He would tell me very transparently what was something that he would recommend immediately that was important or even urgent, and then he would also lay out things that maybe to budget for in the future to keep in mind but that weren't super important right now. And so it gave me a sense of control and choice, whereas maybe in the past other mechanics would give me this sense of fear that I better take care of it now or I was somehow in danger. Bernie doesn't do that. He just explains what your car needs and why. Even though now I live further away from his shop, I still drive to get my car taken care of there, especially when I have one of those mystery sounds that I don't know how to describe. I know he's going to give me the honest answer. I know he's going to do what he can to take care of me and just make sure my car is safe. I'm a mom. Safety is the number one thing. And so I just want to know that my car is taken care of for longevity, and he makes sure all of those things happen. I know that Bernie will take the time to build a relationship with his clients to understand what is important to them, and he will take care of their car and them. It's very clear the Pawlik Automotive experience is totally different.